Welcome back to Chippo Fishing. Out last night at Harris, not the best night, but we're here at Jordan, and with special guest today, Stefan, Mr. Subscriber.
How you doing?
So we're at Ebenezer. Got some rain. Rain's supposed to let up. We're gonna try around the bridge. Supposedly a lot of bait running through there, and we're gonna check it and see what's going on. So stay with us on a rainy day, and we're gonna knock dust. All right. Won't need to net them, I don't think. Nice if we had to net them. I said it'd be nice if we did have to net them. He got caught up in another line, but that's okay. Yeah. Keep it crappy. Here at Ebenezer. Nice fish. Pound and a half. Yeah, a pound. Thank you. Cormorants, waves of them coming in.
Good luck.
Huge fish. We should mount them. Egg laden. Oh, little guy. Little crappies over here. Little crappies. Well, thanks again for joining me on Chippo Fishing. No big record set today, except for the amount of fun. Always joyful to be on the water. And Mr. Stefan, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me, sir.
Certainly, I'm sure it won't be the last time. And so next time, more time, y'all get up off that couch. You know you can't catch them there. And thanks for viewing me, and we'll be seeing you soon. Peace. And in the dark, Mr. Tony.
Hello.
And what'd you see today?
A lot of little fish.
Conditions were tough today, man.
Yep. A lot of mud.
Any tips for anybody who wants to come out and
Downsize. I started catching fish after I just switched to hook and minnow.
There you go.
They're small.
And I was seeing them at 20, 25 foot.
I was 15.
15.
Now, I don't have the live scope, so I was seeing something. But
yeah. But hey, there was a load of bait down there. Load of bait.
Yeah, it was carpeted.
Okay.
Spots. Yep.
All right. Well, thank you very much, sir.
Good morning,
Always
Internet.
pleasure. All right.